Hey guys, it's James from gigapress.net. Can you imagine how much you could earn selling your digital products right from your own website? Well, without offering your products online, you could be missing out on potential earnings. Fortunately, WordPress makes it easy to sell your work as digital downloads. Whether it's ebooks, stock photos, games, design templates, online courses, or software, you can allow customers to purchase and instantly download your digital products right from your WordPress website. You won't have to deal with packaging, inventory, and shipping logistics. Just navigate to your online store, purchase, and download your content straight to their desktops or mobile devices. So, in this video, you'll learn the step-by-step guide on how to sell digital downloads in WordPress. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Easy Digital Downloads plugin. The plugin is free to use, although there are also paid plans if you're searching for more advanced options. Additionally, it's user-friendly and has customizable checkout and payment gateway integrations. So to get started, the first step we need to do is to install this plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, head over to Plugins, then Add New Plugin. Then, in the search bar, type Easy Digital Downloads. As you can see, this plugin has been installed on more than 50,000 websites. Click Install Now, and then Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new Downloads menu in your WordPress dashboard. So let's go over to the Setup tab. Click on Get Started, and you'll be prompted to enter your business name. So I'm going to type My Shop, for example. Then select your business type. If you don't have an official business ID, choose Individual or Company if you have a registered business entity. And then enter your business address, city, postal code, country, and region. Then you can select the currency on the drop-down menu. And I'm going to leave the default settings here. And when you're done, hit Save and Continue. Next is your payment methods. Here, you'll need to provide a way for customers to pay for your digital products. Good thing the Easy Digital Downloads plugin has numerous payment gateway options that you can choose from, including Stripe. So, to set up Stripe as your payment gateway, you'll need to connect your associated account. Click on Connect with Stripe. Enter your Stripe email address and password. Now you need to set up two-step authentication. So we need to download the Google Authenticator app on your phone, then scan this QR code and enter the verification code. Now click Connect and verify your personal details. If the webhooks are not found, click Automatically Set Up Webhooks, then you'll be directed to the Payments settings. Scroll down and click Save Changes. When you go back to the Setup wizard, as you can see, webhooks are configured correctly. Click Save and Continue. If you go to Settings, then Payments, here you can choose a few display method icons, depending on the credit cards your store will accept. I also recommend enabling multiple gateways so that your customers can select their preferred payment methods. Then click Save Changes. In the Checkout tab, here you can customize your checkout flow. If you want to immediately redirect to checkout after adding an item to the cart, allow customers to place orders without an account, or they must log in to purchase, or automatically register new user accounts. When you're done setting up your checkout flow, click Save Changes. Going back to the Setup page. Next, in the Email section, you can add your logo and configure email settings. When a customer makes a purchase, they'll receive an email receipt. You can customize the email template, including the sender's name, email address, and the email content where it shows the customer's name. Thank you for your purchase. Please click on the link below to download your files, then the download list and the site name. When you're done, click Save and Continue. Now it gives us recommended tools and features to help boost conversions and optimize your digital store. Here you can leave the default options as they are and click Save and Continue, and it will install some additional tools. But in this case, I'm going to click Skip this step. For the last setup, you can add your first digital product here. Simply enter your product name. For the product image, click on the Set Image button. You can select from your computer or your media library. For example, I'm going to select this image, write the title, caption, and description, and click Select. Then, select the product options and add the product price. Now enable Add Your First File, enter the file name, and select your file and click Insert into Post. When you're done, hit Save and Continue. Now you set up your store and your first product has been created. So when you go to Downloads, you can see the new page here. Then, if you're going to click Preview to see what your digital download will look like on the front end of your website. So here, if they clicked on Checkout, they will be redirected to the checkout page where they should enter their personal info, billing address, and the payment info to purchase the digital product. If you want to add another digital product, go to the Downloads tab and click Add New Download. This will open up a new WordPress page where you can add your product information. Start by writing your product name in the title field and a description of the download just below. When you're done, scroll down and select the product type, single product, bundle, or service. Next, add your digital file. It will include your file name and URL. If you click on the link icon, here you can select from your computer or media library. For example, I'm going to select this image and click Insert to Download. If you want to upload additional files, just click on Add New File. Next is the Notes section, where you can add instructions that users will see when they purchase the file. For example, I'm going to type, click Download and save the file to your computer. And you can also edit the download settings here on the Settings section. You can limit the number of times a customer who purchased this product can access their download links. You can also select your refund status and the refund window. Then, at the bottom, you can choose the purchase button behavior if you want the Add to Cart button, or choose the Buy Now button if you want to speed up the process of buying the product. Now for the pricing, you can set the desired price for your digital products. Once done, go ahead and click on Settings at the top right. Here you can edit different aspects of your product. You can set the image that represents your product. Add the title, caption, and the description too. Then click Set Download Image. Scroll down until you reach the section marked Categories. Add a category, click on Add New Download Category, and enter the category name. Then I'm going to add New Download Tag, and once done, click Save. Once you've made all of your desired changes, go ahead and click on Preview. If you're satisfied with the result, hit Publish. That's it! You've successfully set up your WordPress store and added your first digital product using the Easy Digital Downloads plugin. Now you can start selling and start making money online. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.